Hi, thank you for watching the video on this one. So for sale here at Roy Wood Transits, we've got a grey Ford Transit tipper, rare one this one. So it's the 170, towing axle, 7-ton train weight, so ideal for towing. 2 litre Euro 6, 6-speed manual, dual rear wheels, rear wheel drive. Strong and robust alley body with the side and tailwheel colour coded to the cab. Also has the Sync 4 12-inch touchscreen. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, semi-auto aircon, heated windscreen, obviously the metallic paint as you see, electric mirrors, it's the alley plank floor, tie points in the floor, heavy duty bulkhead with mesh infill, heavy duty telescopic tipping ram, delivery mileage vehicle, all sorts of options. Direct through the stereo, and then obviously if you plug your smartphone in, Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, you can use the maps off your phone through the van. It comes up on this side of the screen, or you can make it big screen as well. It's a full 12-inch screen for the navs, quite nice. If you'd like any more details, or you'd like to book a viewing or a test drive or check availability with me, you're more than welcome. Give us a call in the office please, 0118 979 0060. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.